And we're back to CapCut. Let me show you a line glitch transition. Place our footage right here. Then we go to transitions, open a drop-down glitch category, and there are two available, horizontal and vertical. Just download them and then add them via the plus sign. If this warning message pops up, simply confirm. It should still run, and there you go. This was the horizontal one. Let me download the vertical. I click on the plus sign and it replaces the horizontal. As always, when you've got it selected, you can adjust the duration. Just make sure that it is actually selected. So if it isn't, left click on it in the timeline right here, then it should be highlighted and you should see the duration slide on the right. Hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.